Hi, my friends. How are you? This is GSB from New Jersey. Today's topic to discuss about is what other things you need to make sure before you are trying to buy a car. This particular video is all about buying a car if you are financing the car, if you're not paying full for the car. If you are paying a full amount for the car, that's a different thing. Then you just need to see the best deals, what you would get. But if you are financing the car, that this video would be for that purpose. Before you buy a car, you have to make sure that what your credit worth is for, means what are the possibilities of getting the best price, what are the best car rates you would get from a vendor who you are looking for. It can be a credit union, it can be a bank, it can be a private financiers, it can be a company's owned financing system. Like when you go and buy a Honda can finance you. When you buy a GM can finance you. When you buy a Toyota, they can finance you themselves. So it basically depends. It would definitely depend that what kind of financing you're looking for, means whether you're looking for a private lender, a bank, or what. But I will tell you from my personal experiences, I have been helping many people to buy the cars on finance, and I make sure they get the best rates. I make sure the dealer is not going to rip them off on the price of the car. I will make sure that they check their credit before they can make their mind to buy that particular car. Means it doesn't matter you're buying a brand new car, it doesn't matter you're buying a pre-owned car. Normally brand new cars would always have a better rate of interest than a pre-owned cars, because pre-owned cars, it's a little more risk to the bank, to the lender who is going to fund you, than a brand new car, because according to the safety concern and new systems in the car, so you have to see that. Few things you should do before you're ready to buy a car. First, check your credit, how much your credit score is. The more credit score, the more better rates you get. If your credit is like, let's say, about 650 and plus, 650 to 670, you will get a best rate. And if it's more than 670, you will get a very best rates. And if it's more than 700, 720, definitely you will get the best rates. That you have to make sure. Check your credit cards, how much you own to the bank. If you can clear off your balance on the credit cards and then go to a car lender, that's also one of the good thing is going to help you. After that, check your credit cards, how much you owe them, and if you can clear them, that's the best possible thing. If not, then try to pay as much as you can. After that, make sure when you want to buy a car, you don't go and do credit shop around. Don't just go around and buy different, apply for the multiple credit cards or multiple loans, or just hold on those things. Buy the car first, because car and all these car purchasing and everything is considered to be a major financing, major products. So don't just simply buy the credit cards. Get the credit cards before you go for a car loan. Make sure you don't apply too many credit cards, because it's going to pull a hard inquiry on your account. And when you have a lot of hard inquiries, the banks, they will consider something fishy, that a person is trying to apply multiple credits, multiple things, and his situation might not be a better one. But at the end of the night, the inquiries, they do matter very less. They matter about a 10% in the credit report. 35% is the payments, 30%. So 30 to 35% for the payment history matters, and how much you own to the bank, that matters a lot. So make sure your credit report is clean. Make sure that you don't owe too much of money to the other lenders. Make sure you don't do, at least you don't have no credit inquiry for minimum of 6 months, I would say. Means that would be the best thing. And then just simply, first of all, I think the best bank to get a car financing, it would be your own bank, the bank you're dealing the banking with, the bank you hold a credit card, the best credit card you have. You can just consider those bankings, like Bank of America if you have a credit card, Capital One if you have a credit card, Chase Bank if you have a credit card. So these are some of the banks I will tell you to do a pre-qualification check on your credit report for the car financing. Like, go on a Capital One website, go on a Chase website, go on a Bank of America website, and log in with your information and see if they can pre-qualify you. Once they pre-qualify you, call them and make sure the dealer you're going to finance the car, you're trying to buy the car from, make sure that they have a tie-up with the bank so that the bank can approve the loan to them. So once you go there, negotiate for the car, try to get the best deal, try to make that deal into a deal where means you're satisfied with the dealer that the car is excellent, they give you a certified warranty. And make sure if you buy a car, try to buy the extended warranty with that car for another at least 36,000 miles or 45,000 miles for 3 years. That's the best thing. They give you a bumper to bumper warranty when you buy from them. I mean, that means anything happens to that. And some of the car companies, they have a lifetime warranty for the transmission and engine, so that's the best thing. And then some of them they don't have, but still they offer you an extended warranty if the original warranty from the manufacturer is getting expired pretty soon, or it has already been expired, but still you can get that extended warranty. And it's not going to cost you much. It might bring up your payments all about maybe $10 to $20 a month, and that's worth of it. I will definitely recommend somebody who is buying a car take an extended warranty. It's out of worries. It keeps you out of worries. Anything happens to the car, anything from bumper to bumper, you're covered. You don't have to. Only the wear and tear is not going to be covered, like brakes, tires, engine oil, servicing. These things are on your own, but all the major things all are covered. And after that, one is extended warranty. Make sure you take that. And make sure while financing, not every dealer is going to ask you about it, because it is going to increase the cost of a finance a little bit. But it's always better to buy a gap insurance. A gap insurance is like, let's say you bought a car for $10,000 or $20,000 or $30,000, and after 2 years the car is worth of let's say $20,000, and you still own to the bank $25,000. So if you don't have a gap insurance, the insurance company, if you unfortunately you met an accident, and the insurance company, full coverage insurance, is going to cover only $28,000, and that $5,000 left over you have to pay from your pocket. So make sure you take a gap insurance. It's not much. It's $700 to $800 when you buy the car initially, and that can cover your money about rest of the balance, means whatever is the balance. If the car gets total and you just have paid, let's say $200 on the car, or $5,000, and you still own $30,000, but the insurance is covering $25,000, so $5,000 the gap is going to cover. So make sure you buy the gap insurance. And I think these are the best things you do while you try to shop around for the car. And as soon as go to the dealer, if you have a pre-approval, never ever go with the dealer's bank, because they will do a lot of hard inquiries on account, and then that's not good on your credit file. So tell them that I already have a pre-approved. Make sure I don't have no single inquiry from your dealership on my credit report. I don't want you to do it. I want you to do a hard inquiry. I want you to do a process file only to the bank you have a pre-approval carrying with you. Like if you have a pre-approval for Capital, tell them just apply for the Capital. That's it. I don't want to apply for no other bank, So that's the best thing. Okay. Thank you so very much. And hopefully I can bring you some more news about my personal experiences. This experience has helped me to help a lot of friends to buy their cars in the best price and the best financing rates. So hopefully this is going to help you too. Thank you so very much. Thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you for some of the videos soon. Thank you so very much.